In this video, we'll be explaining the similarities and distinctions between microstores and preferred groups. First, let's define what preferred groups are. Preferred Groups is a UniformMarket app that's essential in launching a complete uniform e-commerce store. They allow you to create a unique shopping experience for specific companies or industries that display required work apparel by colors, prices, and more. This will help to eliminate confusion among company employees on what they are supposed to wear and where they can purchase items. Preferred Group unifies your employees and keeps your uniform footwear and gear programs running smoothly. They also offer store within a store functionality, and you can organize products and logos by department. For example, each department in St. Mary's Hospital wears specific colors, but they can't track employee purchases since employees can order scrubs on their own. Our solution? We can set up a preferred group that employees can self-register for. Colors can now be organized by department, and they can be tracked by St. Mary's. Through UniformMarket, you can set up preferred groups in under 15 minutes, and you can enjoy brand syndication, which automatically updates the manufacturer's store whenever changes to the catalog are made. You can add an entire catalog to your store or just the items you choose to sell. It's that easy when you have brand syndication. Preferred groups are accessed from your online store, and the shopper will still see the portion of your public store. In order to use preferred groups, you must have a premium license of seller's commerce to start using preferred groups within your store. Preferred groups will be hidden to regular shoppers, and the products of the preferred groups will become visible when the shopper logs into their group on your online store. Once a license has been obtained, you can download it directly from the seller's commerce store. Next, let's discuss Program Manager Microstores, the employee-centric e-commerce experience. Primarily, they are used by uniform distributors in serving workplace apparel to employees of major B2B accounts. Examples include hotel, chains, airlines, etc. They offer organized employee group purchasing and offer you the ability to catalog and inventory products by department with advanced buying rules, shipping rules, and approvals. You can also inventory your product logos by department and grant you ledger-based tracking with allowances. This experience can be enhanced with a client admin, with a robust reporting system that can be tracked across multiple customer stores. Master Admin allows you to manage and design the default template for your clients and determine the fixed branding that applies to your clients' sites. It affords our clients the freedom to advertise on specific sections. Lastly, you can self-create a microstore with complex business rules and quickly set up employee accounts through the flexible personalized wizard. Give power back to your employees.